The asphalt is humming below electric growl. I'm watching the city through a heavy gray scowl. Your touch was a wire, living stripped bare, leaving nothing but static in the cold, thin air. My heart is a freight train with no place to go, rusted out wheels moving heavy and slow. I'm a flicker in the circuit, a glitch in the plan, just a pile of scrap metal in the shape of a man. The brick walls are bleeding, the suck in the grind. I'm a prisoner of habit, just killing my time. Your memory's a hammer on a